My 100 activated. Nice.
In central New Jersey, eastern Monmouth, Mercer, and western Monmouth. In northern New Jersey, Middlesex, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. In northwest New Jersey, Hunterdon. In southern New Jersey, Coastal Ocean, northwestern Burlington, Ocean, and southeastern Burlington. From Monday to Tuesday afternoon. Low pressure will pass through the region Monday night through Tuesday. Rain will be heavy at times. The tracing of thunderstorms will be possible as well. Widespread rainfall totals will range from 1.5 to 2.5 inches is locally amount possible. Flash floods, streams, urban areas, and poor drainage areas is possible in the areas of heaviest rain. You should monitor later forecasts and be prepared to take action should flash flood warnings be issued. At 2 p.m. at the Lehigh Valley International Airport near Allentown, it was cloudy.
What? Did I just say scattered sprinkles? What the? Oh, he hung up, well.